New in Unity 6.3, Build Profiles UI and Settings. Improved the Build Profiles window interface for customizing build profiles. You can select only the specific settings you want to configure through the Add Settings button in the Build Profiles window. This feature allows you to choose which settings configure for a specific build profile, such as Scene List, Scripting Defines, Player Settings, Quality Settings, and Graphics Settings. Only the selected settings appear within their own sections on the Build Profiles window. You can also use C# scripts to configure some of these settings for specific build profiles by using these methods in the Build Profile class: Add Component, Create Component, and Get Component. These helper methods allow you to manage scriptable objects linked to a specific build profile. Each build profile can contain only one instance of the scriptable object type. And that was the Build Profiles UI and Settings part of Unity 6.3.